headset. Items may have shifted during the flight and they could fall out. You may now use the cellular functions on your small portable electronic devices, but please remain seated with the clear stood. Also, please be advised that the aircraft doors will be open for ground servicing. For your safety and any children you're supervising, go ahead and remain clear of the front and back doors. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, go ahead and check those TV monitors in the terminal for your flight information. If you're traveling on to Milwaukee, this is your airplane. Please remain seated in your seat. Once all the local passengers have deplaned, we'll come through from the back to get a count. Once we get that count, we'll make an announcement when you're free to get up. Thank you so much for choosing Southwest Airlines this morning and welcome to Las Vegas.